Hey, Andy here at AVPro's booth at CEDIA 2025, and we're showcasing our new USP series of MXnet endpoints. USP is a new line of MXnet that introduces 3 new SKUs that are all H.265-Based, which is a great solution for commercial and pro AV solutions for large-scale AV over IP deployments. Every SKU is a transceiver, and every SKU has built-in multi-view video walls and open interoperability to support external H.265 devices. They come in at different price points and different features that allow you to truly tailor your AV over IP system to not overspec or meet the exact requirements that is needed. We're also showcasing our integration with our RTI touch panel, so you can create a comprehensive audio, video, and control solution for a sports bar, leveraging the power of RTI with the touch panel you see here. So for more information on RTI or MXnet USP, you can visit avproglobal.com.